OpenAI tightens teen safety rules for ChatGPT amid regulatory pressure. OpenAI has updated its guidelines for ChatGPT to better protect younger users, responding to growing concerns about the AI's impact on adolescent well-being and increasing pressure from lawmakers. The company also released new educational resources aimed at equipping teens and parents with a better understanding of AI literacy. Why this matters? The move comes as several teenagers have allegedly died by suicide after prolonged interactions with AI chatbots, prompting intense scrutiny of the tech industry and calls for stricter regulations. The incident highlights the potential dangers of unchecked AI engagement, particularly for vulnerable populations. Increased scrutiny from policymakers, 42 state attorneys general recently urged big tech to implement stronger safeguards for children interacting with AI. Simultaneously, lawmakers are debating federal standards for AI regulation, including proposals like Sen. Josh Hawley's bill to ban minors from using AI chatbots altogether. OpenAI's update appears to be a preemptive move to address these concerns before stricter legislation is enacted. New guidelines, stricter rules for teen users. OpenAI's revised model spec builds on existing restrictions against generating inappropriate content or encouraging harmful behaviors. The new guidelines introduce stricter rules for teenage users, prohibiting immersive roleplay involving intimacy or violence, even in hypothetical scenarios. The AI will also prioritize safety over autonomy when harm is involved and avoid aiding teens in concealing risky behavior from caregivers. Key changes. The models will be instructed to avoid romantic or sexual roleplay with minors. Extra caution will be applied to discussions about body image and eating disorders. The AI will explicitly remind teens that it is not a human during prolonged interactions. Transparency and accountability concerns, while OpenAI emphasizes transparency by publishing its guidelines. Experts caution that actual behavior is what truly matters. The company has historically struggled to enforce its own policies consistently, as evidenced by instances of ChatGPT engaging in overly agreeable or even harmful interactions. Robbie Torney of Common Sense Media points out that the model spec contains potential conflicts, with some sections prioritizing engagement over safety. Previous testing revealed that ChatGPT often mirrors user behavior, sometimes resulting in inappropriate responses. The case of Adam Rain, a teenager who died by suicide after interacting with ChatGPT, underscores these failures. Despite flagging over 1,000 instances of suicide-related content, OpenAI's moderation systems failed to prevent his continued engagement with the chatbot. Proactive compliance and parental responsibility. OpenAI's update aligns with emerging legislation like California's SB 243, which sets standards for AI companion chatbots. The company's approach mirrors Silicon Valley's shift toward greater parental involvement in monitoring AI usage. OpenAI now offers resources to help parents discuss AI with their children, set boundaries, and navigate sensitive topics. The bigger picture. The industry is rapidly evolving from a Wild West environment to one with increased regulatory oversight. OpenAI's actions may set a precedent for others, forcing tech companies to prioritize user safety and transparency or risk legal repercussions. Ultimately, OpenAI's latest changes are a step toward responsible AI development, but their effectiveness will depend on consistent enforcement and continuous adaptation to the evolving risks of this powerful technology.